All right, so we're going to start off. We got question 724, find pivot index. So essentially it's going to give us an array of nums, and what we're trying to look for is, like, as we go down the line, when is the index for the left side of that number and the right side equal the same thing. So in this one it would be the third index right here. So basically, like 1, 7, 3 equal 11, and 5 and 6 also equal 11, so the pivot index would be 3, so it doesn't include the middle index. So yeah, so we're going to start off here. There are like some things in Python, like some different aggregating functions that will do this like cleaner and like less code, but I'm just going to do it simple just to make things easy. So we're going to make our total sum value equals 0 for nums. Total sum plus equal to nums. Okay. Yeah, and then now that we have that, we're going to say index equals 0, cur sum equals 0. Because essentially, like, we're going to go through and we're going to be checking, be like, okay, is the left side equal to the right side? No, then like keep moving. So then once we do that, so we're going to be like if cur sum equals, and then we're going to take total sum minus num minus cur sum. So basically, like, yeah, so if the left side equals the total sum minus whatever number we're on minus what we're at, then return index. And then if not, all right, so yeah, so basically, like, as we are going down this, we're gonna have else, and so like we basically are gonna just keep adding the number to the cur sum until we find this, and as well as one to the index. So we don't have to keep, like, I know a lot of places they have to do like for index and range length of nums. Like, we don't have to do that for this one. We can just have like an index variable because we're only going to be running through it once. We don't have to keep track of where it is in it. We just have to keep track of like where the pivot index is, I guess. So yeah, and then if not, we just return -1. So we're going to give it a submit. Sweet. Let me know if you have any questions.